So why does Dark Knight get DC Comics, but the Green Lantern just gets DC? Also, DC.
Billions of years ago, a race of immortals.
Narration pieced together from all of Marlon Brando's lifetime recorded audio. Megamind? This heads-up display contains no useful features whatsoever. Abin Sur didn't think that pushing a few rocks in front of Parallax was necessary because, what are the chances?
Your soul is mine.
Boy, he sure made quick work of that jello mold prison. Also, 3 people's souls is all it takes to get free of willpower. Ghost Rider alien bad guy. Why does a Green Lantern that can fly through space on his own, the most powerful of all Green Lanterns, mind you, need a f***ing spaceship? F***ing sprint. Powerful mystical ring doesn't know there's a huge ball of fear approaching until the last moment. Geez, now he's getting in another spaceship. We definitely wouldn't respect Hal Jordan if he didn't wake up next to some naked babe.
Now let's get these pants off and fly some planes.
Man, Hal Jordan is such a devil-may-care rebel. He's like the Van Wilder of test pilots.
On my way, highball.
On your way to where? You're already there, right? Well, this isn't like Iron Man at all.
And you blew the contract that this company and half the state used to...
Only in movies does an awesome invention get canned because some asshole decided to not only break the rules, but to do something no pilot would have done under any circumstance.
You're fired.
It's too late,
You don't
Carl,
get off
I
that
quit.
easy.
Dude, at least take the severance package. Why did Parallax let Abin Sur get away in this tiny ship? Was the Devourer of Worlds not fast enough to catch it? Or is it just that the plot demanded it? Nobody sees this flying green ball anywhere in the city. Bright sunny day becomes dark inky night in just a couple of seconds. Nobody saw this spaceship crash, and then it takes the military all damn day to get there. Hal touches the same alien body that Hector later touches, but doesn't get infected with the yellow fear goo.
Great honor. Responsibility.
And with great responsibility comes great power. Wait.
We're gone.
Yeah, those helicopters are clearly close enough to spot you already, as well as just follow you or shoot you for witnessing proof of aliens.
They said it was a great honor. Responsibility.
And with great responsibility comes... oh, damn it. This guy looks like the devil, and his name is based on the word sinister. This dude was destined to turn evil.
His only words were, "It's Parallax."
No, his final words were...
I'm badly wounded. Heading to the nearest inhabited planet for the selection process. Tell the Guardians, it's Parallax.
Carol doesn't notice the huge f***ing green ring on Hal's middle finger at any time. Not that he would have known what it meant, but Hal's ring fails to glow when these dickheads show up. I guess we're supposed to be happy that Hal just killed 3 guys. Wait, so every f***ing car in this dive bar alley parking area has an alarm system? Even the f***ing tow truck? Also, didn't Hal just get slammed into the green truck and nothing happened at all? No one from anywhere gives a about all the commotion happening in the parking lot. Astronauts must see people flying around in green energy clouds all the time. Of all the things to CG, a f***ing mask? I mean, how much money did you really save with this move?
Since time immemorial, the Green Lantern Corps has served as the keepers of peace, order, and justice throughout the universe.
Well, they let this movie get made, so where were you on that one, dickheads?
And the greatest of responsibilities.
And with great responsibility son of a bitch!
Green is the color of will.
How can green be the color of both will and envy? When Hal left the apartment, the lantern's on the table, but when he returns, it's gone. This girl on the end doesn't give a shit that somebody just got thrown to the front of the class by magic.
You need to get some sleep, son.
Senator Hammond must have had Hector when he was 13 years old. Hector's eyes don't glow yellow when he's reading his father's mind. There are 3,600 Green Lanterns, but apparently only 12 are needed on this mission to kill Parallax, an immortal who has destroyed 2 planets. A f***ing net is what they think will contain Parallax?
We must prepare to harness the power of our enemy and fight fear with fear.
In other words, the only thing that fear has to fear is fear itself. They do not let people land helicopters this close to pedestrians, even if you have a little circle of red markers to define a landing area. This guy's hair.
Nice.
Yeah, my dad used to train in them.
I was talking about your dress.
So was she. I guess this dude Hector takes the champagne from took a look at Carol Ferris and said, yeah, I'd probably do the same thing.
Examine an alien body recently.
Hammond's dad can apparently hear his son's conversation from 10 feet away at a fairly loud party. Don't helicopters usually cause large amounts of wind? What an odd way to try and disable a helicopter when you have this telekinesis thing. Wait, did we get that right? It's telekinesis this time, damn it. Everyone in the helicopter should be dead or severely injured when it crashes through the screen. Helicopter and Blades managed to crash through this heavily populated party without touching anyone. Hey look, it's probably Hal Jordan. Is this really related to the plot whatsoever? Like, do we need to know that somebody killed Dr. Waller's family? What's keeping Dr. Waller stuck to this glass?
The lantern is a threat.
You just took out a whole squad of the toughest lanterns, but the brand new lantern from the young human species is a threat?
What are we saying on Earth? We say, I'm only human. We say it because we know we're afraid.
We do not say that because of fear, we say that because we've colossally f***ed something up. Nobody who looks to the skies for a living sees this f***ing huge monster approaching Earth. Possibly the saddest villain death ever. Who cries for Hector Hammond? He didn't ask for this, wasn't driven by greed or power, and now he dies without redemption. Even Darth Vader got redemption. Carol fires Earth missiles into an intergalactic world-eating fear monster and it actually works. Why does Parallax decide to ignore everyone else running around and focus on this random lady who fell in the street? Every car in this city has an alarm. Hal and Parallax go through the asteroid belt, which is between Mars and Jupiter. Now somehow they've managed to get to the sun in 10 seconds, which is on the other side of where they came from. A giant fist is what knocks Parallax into the sun? Almost nothing ever affected him the whole movie, and now a f***ing fist. Sinestro only shows up after Hal's already destroyed the Parallax. F*** Sinestro.
Can I train him? Or can I train him?
Dude, you literally spent like 3 minutes beating him up and then Sinestro took over the training.
Abin found another just like himself.
Abin had nothing to do with the selection process. The Ring did the work. Wait, someone decent directed this? See? Told you. Coast City is the fictional city that Hal Jordan lives in the comics, so I want to give the production credit for attention to detail by having this license plate here say Coast City, except that I have to take points right back because cities don't have unique license plates. Well, except for Washington, D.C. Also, is Hal's license plate a Pennsylvania one from the 80s and 90s? Coast City is in California. How do we know this is the bedroom of a typical little boy? Well, there's an orgy of evidence. We've got sports cars, planes, rockets, dinosaurs, more sports, and just for good measure, a million Rubik's Cubes. NFL Blitz. Hey boss, I got the props all set up for this dude's office. Since he's a mad scientist, I put 3 computer screens on his desk. Seriously? You think he needs a 4th? Okay, you're the director. Pokemon Sapphire. Exactly how much did the set designer of this film love the color orange? This much. Ah, there goes HBO.